Hello, everybody. Okay, so listen. Hello, is anybody here? Oh, it's covering my face. How do I move? There. Hello, everybody. Let's hide this. Haha. Hello, Annie Garcia. Thank you, Isa Lenore. We're gonna do math again, but I downloaded biology, but I don't know anything. So it's either we're gonna learn together or we're going back to math. These are our options. Guys, the TikTok changed the... Okay. Wait, I can't see. You're back. Yes, hello, Rutherfordium. Option 2. Biology or going back to math. Or there's also general science here. Chem and Gen Sci. So this is the same books as the math one we're using. Thank you. Guys, my medal is missing. Okay, my room is so messy. I was like, before I was gonna go live, I was gonna find it, but I still can't find it. I don't know where it is. Chem? I don't know chem, guys, unless we learn it together. There's chem, but there's also biology here. But I feel like we want chem. But, okay, let's see. I wanna chem. Hello, Sultry Whisper. Hello, everybody. Let's look at it. Okay, let's look. Matter. We know matter. Substance mixtures. Okay, I think we can go through it. Tapos, let's see if kaya natin sagutan. You have a quiz tomorrow? That's crazy. You shouldn't be here. You should sleep early. Okay. Chem is crazy. I feel like I haven't studied science in so long, guys. Like, maybe 3-4 years. But I came from a science high school, so yes. I just graduated, Georgina. Welcome to the live. If you're new here, hi, my name is Julia. I was a senior in Ateneo and I graduated. There's my toga. Guys, my medal is missing. I'm so mad. Hi, Nico. Your dream course, good luck if you're applying for it. Hindi pa open yung Ateneo applications. Second day of school in med, course ni Julia unemployed. That's so crazy, Nico. Physics. What if we go back to math, guys? Nawawala medal ko. I don't know where it is. The medal and the there's 2 medals. One is for all the graduates. And I don't know where it is right now. So, I'm kind of scared and I can't focus. So, I don't know. Math ulit. Can we go back to math, guys? Eto na, madali lang naman te. Oh. Do we want easy math? Or are you guys already like math geniuses? Oh no. Oh no. Where'd the pen go? Guys, everything is not going my way. Where's my tablet pen? What the frick? What the helly? Okay. Where is it? I was just holding it, guys. Wait a second. Geometry. Haven't we done geometry? Let's see. Actually, we haven't. Geom. So far, oh. Should we do geom? We haven't done geom, but this is more on definitions of geom. Geom and trigo. Any math? Okay. Guys, let me just look for my pen. Because we actually can't function without it. What? I was just holding it. I'm so sad. My medal's missing, everybody. Where's my medal? Also the pen. Wait. Oh, here it is. My pen is here. But the medal is still missing. Okay, game. Let's try geometry, guys. Hello, if you guys are new here, welcome to the live. Yes, it's recorded. Also, my crashing out because I have no medal right now. I worked so hard for it, and then now it's just gone. Oh, this better lighting. Ooh. Okay. We're on page 83. So if you guys want to follow along, this reviewer is for free. You can check it out on my Instagram. My Instagram is over here, my Instagram. Tapos, just go to the first story. It's in the first story. Search PTS reviewers. There we go. Okay, I'll find my medal after this, guys. We're gonna go live naman until 10. So, let's start with geometry. Okay. Basic terms of geometry. So, we're starting with basic terms. If two lines coincide, then their intersection contains... Okay, what does that mean, guys? You can type your answers. A daw. Two lines coincide. What does coincide mean? That means they hit each other, right? And if they hit each other, if the two lines hit each other, how many points is in their intersection? Which is this. How many points is in their intersection? Yes, it's very A for Ateneo, slay. Can I cancel my application if I won't take the exam? Nico, can you answer that question? I'm not sure if you can cancel. You can cancel and not take the exam, but you can't take it the next year anymore. Okay? So, yes. Okay, going back. So, the answer is letter A. So, just so you guys know, a line, how many points are in a line? How many points are in one line? There are infinite number, right? So, a line is made up of just a bunch of points. Can you see that? Just a bunch of points na magkakadikit-dikit. So, infinite sila. So, a line is made up of a bunch of points, right? So, this is one dimension. This is... No, that doesn't make sense. But yes. And then, a plane. You know what a plane is? Yung ganyan. So, a plane is like the flat surface that's made up of infinite number of lines. So, if you stack lines next to each other, infinitely like this, you're gonna create a plane. So, ganun siya. A line is made of dots, and a plane is made of lines. When will the opening be of the Aboides? Aboides will announce in July, but I'm not sure when the opening is. So, that's when they're gonna announce pa lang. Guys, my medal is missing. I cannot stop thinking about it. I don't know where I left it, actually. But yes, okay. Saan po made yung point? The point, I think, is like the cell. It's the building block. Wow. So, yes. Nakatapos na ako ng first year, nagtuturo ka pa rin. True. Nakagraduate na ako, nagtuturo pa rin ako. Char. Okay, number 2, everybody. Are we ready? In a triangle, ABC, line AB, so pag nakita nyo tong line sa taas, guys, ibig sabihin yan yung side. So, when they say triangle ABC, i-drawing muna natin. When you say triangle, tapos kung ano man letter yon, that means each point is one letter. So, let's do A, B, and C. So, AB, ito yung AB, let's highlight AB. AB is yellow, and then BC is orange. And ang meaning ng sign na to is congruent. So, congruent daw sila, or basically equal, right? Can you find your medal? I'm getting bothered. Guys, I don't know where it is. I'm so mad. I'm scared. I'm gonna update you later. I'm gonna update you if I find it. It's supposed to be here. I don't even know the last place I put it. Because I brought it out. We ate outside. I was wearing the medal. And then I don't know if I brought it home. But I'm hoping I did. Let's pray that I brought it home. Okay. Okay. So, P is any point in between A and B. Which of the following is always true? P is any point. So, mag-drawing tayo ng P. Let's draw P over here. It can be anywhere in between P and A and B. So, which of the following is always true? The way I do this, guys, I don't know. Thank you, CM. Thank you for the gift, CM. Sorry, I didn't see. Do you have a playlist on YouTube? Yes, I do. It's over here. Check my YouTube. All the playlist of like lessons. I haven't gotten to doing that, but I do plan to do it now that I actually graduated and I'm now free from school. So I might make like shorter lesson videos, but for now you can binge watch yung mga replay streams natin. So nandito yan in my YouTube. So what is true? AP daw. AP is equal to PC. Is that correct? Is number 1 correct? So, try natin. AP is equal to PC. Is this correct? No, it isn't. I don't think that's wrong. That's wrong. So, X na natin. So, I don't know how to solve this correctly. What I would do is just, draw each one. AP is greater than PC. Is AP greater than PC? No, that's also wrong. So, X. And then, next, PC is greater than AP. PC is greater than AP. Well, it could be, but the triangle could be formed different. So, maybe. And then lastly, AP and PC. AP is less than or equal to PC. Now, okay, what is our reasoning behind this? So, I think it's letter D because hindi naman guaranteed na mas malaki si PC. But, possible, like, it has to be bigger, right? Pero possible din na equal sila. Kasi wala namang given na weight dito sa AB or dito sa, meron palang given na AB and BC or PC are the same. Oh, okay. Yes, the answer is letter D. Between, Okay. Let's think. Pag between ba, bawal siya maging sa point B. Pag between ba, bawal siya maging sa point B. Kasi the only time na magiging equal ang AP and PC is kapag nandito si letter P. Pag nandito si letter P, equal na itong AP and PC. Gets ba? Kaso, sabi niya, any point in between A and B. So, pag in between, pwede bang nasa B mismo ang P? What do you guys think? Like, pwede bang sa B mismo ang P? Te, malalaman mo rin ba kung ako pa rin? That's a good question. Ano pangalan ng ex mo? I-shoutout natin. Hindi natin masasolve yan. No, hindi daw pwede. Okay. So, since hindi pwede, i-drawing natin. Draw again. This is the longest that P can be is here. Malapit sa B. So, dito ang B. Dito ang A, C. So, wait. Okay. Let's write it down. So, AP is always gonna be shorter. Ay, hindi. Wait. Hindi ba pwede yan maging equal? I don't know, guys. I feel like pwede siya maging equal. P is congruent to C. What does that mean? Wala pang opening yung Aboites, guys. They're gonna announce in July daw. Yun yung sabi sa akin. So, I'm gonna make a video about it. Pero, hindi pa sila nag-announce. But, yes. I think the answer is D. Because would this not be equal? I feel like it's possible na equal sila, guys. Because D because AP can be equal. Yeah, Demi, would you like to explain why? I think it can be equal. Like, look at this, guys. If this is AP and this is PC, they look kind of equal. And it's more safe. It's always more safe because it could be more equal, right? I think so. That's how I see it. Does that make sense? Yeah. I feel like it makes sense. No. Listen. Cause, what if maikli itong si AC? Hindi naman kasi binanggit yung AC. What if ganyan siya kaikli, diba? Tapos nandito si P. So, this is A. This is AP. That's the AP. And this is PC. Will that always be shorter? Will PA always be shorter? D cause AP is less than PC will always be true. Like, baligtad lang ng letter C. Congruent naman. Congruent yung A, B, and BC. Pero yung AC, hindi. Guys, Prickle's hard. Okay, so I think I would answer letter D if I were guessing. Thank you, Dark Muffins. Guys, I graduated if you don't know. But my medal is missing. I'm gonna keep saying that all day until I find it. Please return it. How could that get lost? I'm so sad. Let's turn my light. When's the release of the permit? Nico, do you know? I feel like it's in July, guys. Like, for sure, July. Walang answer key, guys. I feel like C or D. Okay, let's skip that for now. You can't take too long on a question, okay? That is my goal. Okay, ito muna. Mamaya, we'll go back to that. How come na 1 is A? Kasi when they coincide, the intersection is just 1 point all the time. Thank you for the fire, Harum and Ramyan. Okay. Alin sa sumusunod ang tama? Okay, so this one's easier, guys. This one's easier. M1 plus M2 is equal to 90. This is M1 and this is M2. Is that equal to 90? No, it's not. Okay, I'll teach you the rules of this thing. The rules of this, there are words to it, but basically, every line is always equal to 180 degrees, diba? Every line is equal to 180 degrees. So, yung A dito, pati yung 1 dito, pag inad mo sila, equal siya to 180. Ito din, equal to siya to 180. Tapos, pag what do you call this? Opposite angles, they are equal. Okay? Equal yung dalawa. Tapos, etong dalawa, equal din sila. Pag magkatapat sila, equal sila. Okay? Tapos, ito, yung 1 and 2, equal din yan. Bakit sila equal? Kasi magkatapat din sila na malayo. Opposite, I don't know what these are called, guys. Vertical angles. Is that what it's called? Etong si 1, pati etong si 2, equal yan. Okay? Equal sila. Tapos itong si A, pati itong si B, equal sila. So, lahat ng orange, equal sila. Lahat ng green, equal. Okay? Lahat ng green, equal. Lahat ng orange, equal. Alternate exterior, yes. It's alternate exterior angles. You don't need to know the name so much. Basta, alamin mo kung alin yung mga equal. Equal pag magkatapat silang ganito, and then equal kapag malayo, etong malayo, and etong malayo, which is called the alternate exterior angles. Meron ding interior, yung interior yung etong nasa loob. So, this is the interior kasi. Tapos, ito yung mga exterior, okay? Tapos, another one is etong dalawa, this angle and this angle is equal to 180 pag inad mo sila. Okay? Yung dalawang angle na yan, equal siya sa 180. Bakit? Kasi, when you copy this line over here, ito yung angle na isa, and then you take it and bring it over here, as you can see, same sila. Whoa! Do you see the visualization, guys? Equal sila. So, this one plus this one is equal to 180. This is what we call, what do you call this two, guys, na equal sila? Is that alternate? It's not interior. What's that called? I'm not sure. Corresponding. Just kidding. Corresponding? Oh my god, did I get it right? Supplementary. It's not supplementary. I think it's corresponding. Twinning. Somebody said twinning angle. That's so crazy. Top 1 ka. Top 1. Asan na yun? Yes, pwede din yan sa ustet, guys. Okay. Corresponding ata yan kasi magkamukha sila. But yes, so you can screenshot this for now. Lahat ng orange, same, equal sila. Lahat ng green dyan, equal din sila. So now, let's solve the question. Yes, let's answer the question. So, mali ang 1 kasi M1 plus M2, hindi natin alam ang value nila. Hindi sila equal sa 90. Second one, M1 plus M2 is equal to 360. Mali din yan kasi wala naman tayong given values. Okay? And then, mali din yung letter D kasi wala nang given na values. Okay? Pero yung M1 plus, or the angle of 1 and the measurement of angle 2 are equal, as you can see here, because they are alternate exterior angles. Okay, so the answer is letter C. Yes, letter C equal both. Yes, my live is recorded. Hello to the people new here. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Guys, I think, okay, so today is June 24. You guys have 1 month and around 40 days left till the UPCAT. And I think we have to like really grind, because if I were you, you should be studying every day. Okay, so the goal is to go live. I can't say daily, but last year kasi we did daily lives. Like every day we did math talaga. Pero right now, okay, I'm doing my internship right now. So, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try to do daily kasi feel ko kailangan nyo yun. Like, how are we gonna survive if you guys aren't studying right now? Are these questions para sa... Yes, this is for entrance exam. So if you're new here, I help people pass the UPCAT or the ACET or whatever university you want to apply for. Also, if you want to apply for scholarships, I help like just follow me. I post videos on that too. Pwede po ba? Yes, pwede sa UST. Guys, UST, SHS, I'm not sure. Kasi pag STEM, alam ko lang pag SHS, depende sa strand mo yung exam, 'di ba? Nung time namin, wala kaming entrance exam. Nag-base lang sa grades. Me too. I was in that batch, guys. I was in the batch. I was pandemic batch. So, base lang sa grades. Feel ko kaya ako masa. But yes. Wala po bang language proficiency? Meron. Like, you mean me? Me answering language proficiency? Meron tayong reviewers for that. If you want free reviewers, they're all on my IG. Merong iba't ibang like subjects, the 4 subjects na kailangan sa UPCAT. But we're focusing on math usually. UP grad, I just graduated from Ateneo. Look at that. It's my toga, guys. Guys, stop reminding me that my medal is missing. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna cry. I worked so hard for that. I actually don't know where it is. I can't remember at all. I can't remember where I put it. That's so crazy. Okay, whatever. Next question. Let's try to not think of it right now. Philo reviewer. Check about the review. What about senior high reviewer? You can check out the links. Okay, number 4, guys. The difference between the measure of an angle and its supplement is 52. Find the measure of both angles. Ooh, I like questions like this. I feel like we can make a video on this. But yes. So, a supplement. What is a supplement, guys? Ang meaning ng supplement, it's not the medicine, that you drink. So, a complement is, pag complement, 90 degrees. Pag supplement, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Okay? Yun meaning ng supplement. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. So, ang difference daw ng A plus B, sabi niya, A minus B is equal to 52. Tama ba? A plus B is equal to 180, tapos A minus B is equal to 52. Gets so far? Di ko gets? Anong di natin gets? It's okay, we can go slowly, guys. Just ask your questions right now while I think about where my medal is. Where's my medal? Guys, sometimes I lose things. When you lose things, guys, what I do is, they say like somebody takes it. There is an entity or a spirit that takes it, and sometimes I'm gonna leave my room. I'm like, please give it back, and then I'm just gonna leave my room and forget about it, and then it's gonna pop up in plain sight, and I'm like, I know that wasn't there kanina. This person said I took it po. Bura ka, ganun lang yan. Thank you so much. Actually, my room is really a mess. I am. Wag na mag-study. Right? Yes, may ganyan talaga. How many hours a day? Since malapit na yung UPCAT, guys, for me, you should study at least 2 to 3 hours. Joke lang. 1 hour is enough if hindi mo talaga kaya, since may pasok na kayo. But yes. Okay, continue. So, A plus B is 180. A minus B is 52. Gets ba natin? So, ang gagawin natin next, as you can see, we call this system of equations. I'm trying to think of an easier way, pero for now, what we can do is i-add natin to pareho. Add natin, A plus A is equal to 2A. And then, A plus B and minus B is equal to 0. Okay? So, 0 yan. Tapos, i-add din natin to. 180 plus 2 plus 52 is 232. So, 2A is equal to 232 and A is equal to, i-divide natin both by 2. What will you get, everybody? Divide by 2. What's the answer? A is equal to, paano naging 52? Given siya, guys. Supplement is 52. The difference between the measure of an angle and its supplement is 52. Kaya, supplement and its angle is equal to 52. A minus B is equal to 52. So, given yung 52, the answer is 116. So, A is 116. And hindi mo na need isolve ang B kasi isa lang, sa choices, isa lang yung 116. Kaya, the answer is B. Bakit may nagsabi ng A kanina? But yes, the answer is B. B is the answer, guys. ML tayo. I do wanna play ML. Do I know you? No, I don't know you. Thank you, teacher. Ay, mahal na ata kita. That's crazy. Live ka bukas. I might do daily lives, guys. So, abangan nyo na lang. But yes, you follow me on IG. I have a broadcast channel if you want to abang. Because I announce naman when I go live. I upload ba to sa YouTube? Yes, guys. It's uploaded over here. Here's my YouTube. Kita ba yung full name? Minsan kasi it's cut off. There. Okay, next. Medal muna, stop reminding me. I'm gonna cry. Next question. Next question. Stop reminding me. Okay, supplement is equal to A. Okay, move na natin to. So we can. Okay, given if how do you read that? Angle measurement of angle 1. Let's just do that. Measurement of angle 1, isulat na natin, 6x minus 58. So, 6x minus 58 daw to. Measurement of angle 4 is 4x minus 22. Then, find the value of x. What did I tell you guys about the relationship of these two? What is the relationship of these two? Angle 4 and angle 1, what is their relationship? Are they a situationship? Are they corresponding angles? Complementary? It's not complementary. Yes, Chloe, good job. They are supplementary. Bakit sila supplementary? As you can see, guys, diba ito, straight line to? Ano pag straight? Pag straight, lagi siyang equal to 180. So, it doesn't matter anong, like, kung naka-diagonal ba siya or naka-horizontal or vertical. Yung angle niyan ay 180 lagi. And as you can see, 1 and 4 make up the straight line. So, yes, make up the straight line. So, that's equal to 180. So, all we have to do now is add these two. I-add natin sila. That's 6x minus 58 plus 4x minus 22 is equal to 180. Okay? That's all we're gonna do. Yes, equal to 180. Yes. And then, so we add that. That's 10x minus 780 is equal to 180. 10x, what do you call this? Transpose to the other side, magiging plus 80. Kasi minus 80 siya dito. Pag nilipat mo sa kabilang side, magiging plus 80 is equal to 180 plus 80. And then, 10x is equal to 260. Saan galing yung 10x? 6x plus 4x. So, 6x plus 4x is equal to 10x. Do we see it? Do we see the 6x plus 10x? Tapos, ang negative 58 plus negative 22 is equal to negative 80. Okay? And then, 10x, divide both sides by 10 para maiwan si x. I'm so sad. I need to find the middle. X is equal to 26. Amazing! Oh, sorry. Dahan-dahan, yes. Okay, we can go slower. Do you want me to do that again? Next year pa ba ustet? I think this year ang ustet, guys. Hoy, iiwan si x. Yes, cancel out the 0. What 0? Oh, yes, you can cancel out the 0. If that's what you want. It's the same thing as dividing by 10. Paano siya naging equal sa 180? Okay, bakit siya equal sa 180? So, ang angle 4, 'di ba? Sabi niya dito, angle 4 ito. Tapos angle 1 ay ito. So, tinignan natin yung relationship ng angle 1 sa angle 4. So, sabi ni angle 1, ano ba tayo? Ano ba tayo? What are we? Kasi nagde-date na tayo pero hindi ko maintindihan. Like, what are we is what he was saying. So, he was like, we're supplementary. Friends lang tayo. Friends lang daw sila. So, 1 plus 4 is equal to this straight line, and a straight line is always equal to 180 degrees. Straight line is always 180 degrees. Sabi niya, straight line tayo. Di ba straight tayo? Bakit ka na-fall sa akin, pre? On Pride Month? Eme. So, straight is equal to 180, okay? Pag straight line, 180 siya lagi. So, kahit anong... Yes. Ginawa ng kwento. Thank you, Archer. Why did you exchange the 180 and 80? We didn't exchange it, guys. So, ang ginawa natin, diba, may 10x minus 80, pinagsama na natin. Tapos, ay, hindi po ako straight. Hala. Congrats. Congrats on your coming out. So, yung 80 dito, need natin i-transpose, okay? So, ang meaning ng transpose, kasi kailangan iiwan si x, diba? Ayaw na natin kay x. So, si 80, lilipat siya sa kabilang side. And pag iniwan niya na si x, tignan nyo guys, pag iniwan niya na yung x niya, magiging positive na yung buhay niya. Kasi negative siya dito, and then iiwan niya yung x, magiging positive siya. Remember, when you transpose, mababago yung sign, okay? So, dahil negative to, magiging positive 80 siya dito. So, 180 plus 80 is equal to 260. Tapos, divide mo lang both sides. Yes, yes, yes. Nice example, right? Right? I'm so good. I'm so good. And then, I just remembered right now that my medal is missing. Where is it? I'm so sad, guys. I'm so scared. Like, what happens if I lose it? Can I buy another one? Is it not here? I need to pray. Okay. Nasa curtain? No. It's somewhere here, I promise. It's just in this room. But my room is messy. But I kinda miss these types of exams. Thank you, Est. Okay, next question, guys. 6. If the measure of one angle of an isosceles triangle is 20, then no angle of this triangle can have a degree measure of. Ooh, what does that mean? What does this mean, guys? So, let's draw a triangle. Are we ready? Thank you for medal. Stop reminding me of the medal, guys. I'm trying to forget right now. We're trying to forget right now. I'm so sad. Thank you for following Po and Lettuce. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow and like the live also so more people can see. We're gonna try to go live every day. Today's just our comeback stream. So yes, comeback stream. Ang tagal na din ng huli. And then I'll upload it sa YouTube naman all the time. So yes. Let me just put stuff on my hair. Thank you, Brett. Okay, let's continue. Can I watch this on YouTube? Yes, you can. It's up here. You see my name over here. YouTube is Julia Majola. Okay, let's continue. So, what is an isosceles triangle, guys? Bakit po, baka nasa bag niyo yung medal? I'll look later, guys. Imagine losing the pinnacle of your journey. Stop, guys. It's not lost. Okay, let's manifest that it's not lost. Next question. I'm gonna keep manifesting it with every question that we answer. So, we have to know what are the different types of triangles. First is the, what do you call this? Equilateral. Pag equilateral, ibig sabihin, same lahat ng sides niya. Okay? Same lahat ng angle niya. Kapag isosceles, from the word iso, I don't know, from, basta isosceles means dalawa ang same na side niya. Dalawang equal side niya. And then, lastly is, so, equilateral. Isosceles and scalene. So, scalene, hindi same lahat. Okay? So, yan. So, 80 daw yung sagot. Tignan natin, guys. Let's see. Oh, you want to put on a poll? Let's see if you guys are correct. Hala! Oh. Oh. Oh, guys, next time, I'm gonna fix, I'm gonna fix how to, yung pwede siya ma-landscape yung live. Kasi, right now, hindi siya na-landscape. Okay, how do I poll? Are we ready to lock in your answer? This one's a tricky question. Ay, ba't mali? Okay. Ay, mali. Hello, may gift poll. Grabe naman yan. Custom poll. Okay. 2 minutes only. 2 minutes. Start. Okay, you see the poll? I think it's over here. While I think about where I placed my medal, answer the question. If the measure of one angle of an isosceles triangle is 20 degrees, then no angle of this triangle can have a degree measure off. What does this mean, guys? Letter C daw. Huwag kayo magkopyahan, ah. Pag yan, letter D pala. So, right now, nangungunang A and letter C. Sabi dito, then no angle. Ibig sabihin, imposible na ito ang sagot. So, imposible na yun yung angle na meron ang isang isosceles triangle. Okay? So, is it A, B, C, D, or E, Regine Velasquez? Guys, just so you know, if you guys are new here, make sure to follow. When you don't know the answer, it's still best to guess, okay? So, if hindi nyo alam kung paano to isolve, what you're trying to test right now is your intuition. Pick an option in the poll, answer it, and lock in your answer. Usually, C for Christ is what we go for, but just think about your intuition. What is your heart feeling? And maybe we can find out where my medal is. I'm gonna cry. Oh, by the way, guys, if you see me on the streets, you can get a photo card. Just come up to me. You know how people are like, I saw you and I didn't say hi. Well, now you're incentivized to say hi. You can get a photo card. Wait, I can't. There. Or do you want a hollow one? I have a hollow one. Hollow photo card. Who wants a photo card? Glossy. No color. Hollow photo card. There. Okay. For free, if you see me in real life. Not the PC giveaway. Magkano? We're not selling. That's so crazy. Okay, the answer is letter C daw according to the poll. Now, let's answer this. Okay. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, guys, when we look at an isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles to. So, sabihin natin, same itong dalawa. Kapag same ang dalawang side na yan, same din ang magkatapat na angle nila. So, when you look at a triangle, guys, yung angle niya is yung katapat na side niya. So, yung angle na to has to be equal to this side. Equal din ang sides na to. Okay? So, our option is, if one angle of the triangle is 20 degrees. So, we have two options. Possible na nandito si 20 and possible na nandito si 20. Okay? So, let's think about it. Option 1. Pag nandito si 20, ibig sabihin 20 din yung kabila. So, ano yung measurement nito, guys? Nung third angle. Since 20 silang dalawa, this one up here is, what is it? Yes, it's 140. Bakit? Because all the sum of an interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So, 180 is very important. Like kanina, pag straight yung line, 180 degrees siya. Pag yung triangle, hinahanap mo yung inside niya, it's also 180. So, pag 20-20, yung dalawang equal, 140 ang triangle. Okay? So, as you can see here, pwede na natin i-x si 20 kasi, obviously, pag isosceles yan, pwedeng 20 din yung kabila. Tapos, pwede ding 140 yung isang angle. Now, dyan na papasok ang A and C. Is it A or C, guys? There are 40 votes for A. There are 49 votes for C. So let's see if C for Christ will prevail. C is it A or C? Ang dami nag-A kanina. Okay. So the other option we have, let's copy this. The other option we have is, okay, let's draw that. Ala, ang pangit. Let's draw another isosceles. Okay. So equal sila, equal ang kanilang angles. Tapos, kapag 20 naman ang side dito. Oh no. So, if 20 ang side na yan, tapos equal itong dalawa, that means this is x and this is x. So, that's 2x plus 20 is equal to 180, right? Kasi 180 ang side, dapat 180 ang buo nito. So, x plus x is equal, plus 20 is equal to 180. That gives us 2x is equal to 180 minus 20. Ilipat lang natin sa kabila. That will give us 2x is equal to 160. And we can divide that by 2, right? Which will give us x is equal to, ano 70? 80 be, 80. Saan folder yan? In the first story sa Instagram ko. So, go to the Instagram story, the first one there. It's okay, Base. Sorry. That was a typo. I know. You don't have to you don't have to spam, sorry. You're a slow learner. It's okay, guys. We can slow down from the top ulit. Is that what you want? So the answer is pwede ang 80, bawal ang 40. Ang tanong dito, alin ang hindi pwedeng possible na angle ng triangle? So wala tayong nahanap na 40. Kaya the answer is letter C for Christ. Kaya pag hindi mo alam ang sagot, just answer letter C. Amazing! Can we give a round of applause? Wait. I wanna clap for us. How do I clap? Guys, naiba yung... Yes, do you hear the clap? Power of C, yes. Woo! Nawawala medal ko, guys. Ang ganda pa naman nun. Nakita nyo ba yung picture? Sobrang ganda. Okay, start again. Do we want to do it again? Okay, just quickly, gawin lang natin quickly. Isosceles triangle, ang ibig sabihin, pwedeng maging same ang angle nila. Okay? Dalawa yung same na angle. So, these two, dapat same sila. Ang option 1 natin, sabi niya, if one angle is 20, right? So, yung option natin is 20 ang same, or 20 yung unique. Okay? 20 ang same or 20 yung unique. Pag 20 yung same, kailangan natin isolve yung unique one niya. So, that's 20 plus 20 plus x is equal to 180. So, solve for this one lang. That's 180 minus 20 minus 20 will give you 140. So, yun yung nakuha natin na 140. And then, for this one naman, let's take this off. Oopsies. We're looking for the same angles. Pero alam natin na 20 yung unique one. So 180 minus 20 will give you 160. Tapos i-divide mo siya by 2 para makuha yung dalawang angle. So that will give us 80. So far, possible yung 80, possible yung 20, and possible yung 140. Pero wala tayong nakuha na 40, kaya yun yung sagot. Okay? Hello to the 1.3k people. Welcome to the live. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We're gonna try to go live every day, but I'm not so sure yet. Also, here's my PC. Guys, this thing is missing also. It's with the medal. I have 2 medals. So this one's not a medal. I don't know what it's called, if it's a medallion or what. Pero everybody gets that upon graduating. And mine is missing right now. Yes. Where is it? Can we manifest, like, while we're reviewing, can we please pray that I find my medal? How is 20 possible ulit? Okay, welcome to the live. Because it's an isosceles triangle, the question is, then no angle of this triangle can have that degree. So, pag 20 yung isa, possible din na 20 yung isa kasi isosceles sila. So, that's basically it. Where'd I graduate? Ateneo! You want me to wear it? I can wear it, but I'm not sure if that's allowed kasi. But I did buy the toga, so yes. I graduated magna cum laude. Oh, you want to see? Wait, okay. I don't have my medal, but I have my diploma. I'll show you guys. Guys, I don't know why Ateneo is so extra. Look at this. It's like, you know those Archie students? I don't know what it's called. Yung may ganito sila, yung mga arky. Why are they being so, like, big? Like, what's with the big ass diploma? Big ass diploma. Where is it? Oh my god, I can't even get it out. Why is the diploma so big? Canister, yes. Guys, look. Why is it like that? Like, why are you so... What are we trying to prove? The dragon scroll. Me and my diploma. When people say... Look, it says magna cum laude. Do you see that? Right over here. Right over here. Anyway, my medal's missing. So, let's look for that later. That's crazy. That's crazy. Also, look, it's so good. It looks so good. There. So, mag-Ateneo na kayo if magkaka-scholarship kayo. Thank you. Bakit ang laki? Hindi ko din alam, guys. Like, what is this? Like, poster making? Me when I... What is this? Okay. Anyway. There's also a small version of it. Here. Oh, it already has English. Okay, anyway. So, there's my medal. I mean... My medal's still missing. Next question. Next question. Number 7. Number 7. Hala, Tagalog siya, guys. There's the med. There's the... Yes. Ang ganda, panis. Okay. Moving on. I'm so sad. Course is management engineering. Mahirap mag-shift to my course, yes. Kasi it's an honors program. Pero pwede mag-shift. Possible naman. Okay. Number 1 should be letter C kasi coincide, not intersect. What does that mean? Letter C. Coincide! Oh, you're right. Coincide pala. Sorry. I was depressed a while ago thinking about my medal. Ang meaning ng coincide, guys. Yan. Nakinig kayo sa akin. Mali yun. Mali. Coincide means magkapatong sila. Okay? So, when I coincide... Ay, mali. So, wait lang. Need natin ng visual representation. So, this one is one line. And then, the other line coincides. Magkapatong sila. So, if magkapatong yung dalawang line, ilan yung intersection nila? That's infinitely many points, right? Thank you for your answer. Bakit may magkapatong? Nagko-coincide sila eh. Like, they're procreating or something. So, the answer is letter C. Thank you for your correction. C for Christ, guys. If hindi nyo alam, C for Christ is always the answer. Freaky lines. Coincide. Oy, ano? Coincide. Yes. So, inside means, kaya inside. So, when remember inside, magkapatong inside. Yes. Okay. So, letter C, infinitely many points siya. Kasi lahat ng points nila is inside each other. Like that. Okay. They're procreating. Yes, that's what they're doing. Gets. Coincide. Yes, yun daw yun. My board exam. Wala kaming board exam, guys. Mag-work na ako after ng internship ko. Next question. Alin sa mga sumusunod ang hindi maaaring sukat ng mga gilid ng isang right triangle? Okay, so what is a right triangle? So, a right triangle, guys, this is where we learn about Pythagoreans. What's your question? Just ask it. But ako restricted if I showed the exact questionnaire? What do you mean? Maybe, I don't know. Thank you, Zane. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We're gonna try to do this every day since malapit na ang... Oh, yes, this is the Pythagorean triples. Malapit na ang UPCAT, guys. Baka everyday na natin gawin. Hello. Okay, yes. Okay, so there is a technique here. I'm trying to remember it in my head right now. There is a technique for odd numbers. I taught this one. Hello, math tema. How do you read that? Welcome to the live. I feel like this person also teaches math. Okay. So, let's answer this question. There is a technique. I'm gonna get back to you on it. Pero there's a way for you to remember Pythagorean triples. For now, what we can do is the Pythagorean theorem, which says that, what's the Pythagorean theorem, guys? A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Okay? So, for letter A, this is correct agad. Just remember that 3, 4, 5 is a right triangle thing. Why is that? Because A squared, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, tapos 5 squared is 25. So, 9 plus 16 is 25, kaya pasok siya sa Pythagorean triples. Oh, I remember now. Wait, do I remember? I remember pag 4. Okay. Pag odd number, wait guys, alam ko to. Pag odd number, I'm trying to remember. May ano yan eh. May technique yan, guys. Mamaya na. Okay, mamaya. May technique yan, promise. So, for example, 8, ano yung sabi mo? 8, 15, 17? Yung for 8, 15, 17, kaya alam natin na Pythagorean triple yan. Kasi when you, diba yung 8, yun yung smallest number. You multiply that by, actually, I don't know. Wait, I'll get back to you maybe tomorrow on this. We taught it last year. If you go to the recordings, I taught it last year also. I'm trying to remember through just looking at the rules. But for now, let's just do it normally. I mean, it's always safe. It's good to know shortcuts, but it's always safe to know the rule. So, let's try B. So, B is 5 squared. That's 25 plus 36. Is that equal to 61, guys? Is 25 plus 36 equal to 61? That's equal to 61. So, yes. So, the answer to B is also correct. Now, let's try C. Alam ko na. Alam ko na, guys. For odd numbers, okay, for odd numbers, listen to me. Hala, nawala kayo. Listen to this wonderful technique. No, this not A and B is greater than C. That's for normal triangles. We are looking at for right triangles, okay? Right triangles. For odd numbers, remember this. When you look at a smallest number, so odd numbers are 3, 5, 7. For 3, what you're gonna do is square it. Square, what's the square of 3, guys? Square of 3 is equal to 9. And then, you divide that into 2. Divide that into 2. That's 4.5. So, the other two numbers are 4 and 5. So, diba 4.5 yung divide by 2 niya? Divide by 2. So, yung smaller number and bigger number. Wait, I'll explain it again. So, as you can see, 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple. 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple. Now, let's try 5. Let's try 5, guys. 5, what is 5 squared? That's 25. 5 squared is equal to 25. And then, divide that into 2. Divide that into 2. What's that divided into 2? That's 12.5. So, ano yung numbers sa closest to 12.5? That's 12 and 13, right? 12 and 13. So, 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triple. Did you get that? We can do 7 again. We can do 7. Yes, galing. Hang galing. Yes, yes. Wait. Do you understand that, guys? Let's try 7. So, what are the, ano yung kasama ng 7 para maging Pythagorean triplet siya? So, 7, we square that. 7 squared is equal to 49. 49 divided by 2. What's 49 divided by 2? Or kung ano man yung gitna niya. Is it 20? What's the middle, guys? 25? And 24? Yes, 24 and 25. So, 24.5 siya. So, yung dalawang number near that is 24 and 25. And pag sinolve nyo, kahit isolve nyo pa yan, guys, 7, 24, and 25 is a Pythagorean triple. So, yes. So, you just have to memorize this. If hindi nyo memorize, you can try to, pa-shoutout. Shoutout sa friend ko, guys. Naghahanap siya ng jowa. Nasa na? Ipipin kita. Wait lang. Kaso, Carlos, mga incoming college pa lang yan. Type mo ba yung bata? Carlos, type mo ba yung bata? Bata ba ang type mo? Guys, kamukha daw ni Donnie yung friend ko. Gusto niyo ng kamukha ni Donnie? Ayan. I-follow niyo. Problematic. Wag. Joke lang, guys. Hindi pa siya nakagraduate. Okay. Next. Meron pang isang technique, guys. Pag multiples of 4 naman. Pag multiples of 4, mamaya na. Gawin ba natin? Basta. So, na-solve na natin na correct ang A, B, and C. So, obviously, letter D is, Hala, Carlos, hinahanap IG mo. Okay, exit. Ba't di dinap yung IG niya? I don't get the question. The question is, alin yung bawal maging Pythagorean triple? So, there are na hindi pwede maging Pythagorean triple. Yes. If you go to my pinned video, he's there. And then people were calling him Donnie sa pinned video. Pero, yes, that was during the pandemic pa. Okay, so lastly, let's go to letter D. Letter D won't work. Okay, bakit? Let's try. 6 squared plus 8 squared, is it equal to 11 squared? 6 squared is 36 plus 64. Is that equal to 121? Is this equal? This is equal to 100 dapat yan. Dapat equal to 100. Oh, I have another technique, guys. I have another technique. You remember 3, 4, 5? You remember 3, 4, 5? Any multiple of 3, 4, 5 works. So, 3, 4, 5, if you multiply everything by 2, that's 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. This is not triangle inequality. This is right Pythagorean triplets. So, any Pythagorean triplet, kapag even, mamaya na natin. Ayan, so 6, 8, 10. So, if pwede siya ma-divide into 2, meron din siyang katumbas, okay? Yan yung mga perfect Pythagorean triplets. So, di ba ang nakuha natin kanina, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13. You have to kind of memorize this, but not really. So, for example, guys, if somebody says 9, 12, 15. Is this a Pythagorean triplet or not? Is this a Pythagorean triplet or not? Shocked. Hashtag shocked. Am I right? Thank you for following. If you guys are new, make sure to follow. Yes, it is. And why is it a Pythagorean triplet? Yes, it is, guys. Why are you saying no? Kasi ang lowest term nito is 3, 4, and 5. Oh, that's so amazing! 3, 4, 5, divided by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. It will give you 3, 4, 5, which is already a Pythagorean triple. Amazing. Yes, galing. That's so amazing. So, the answer is letter D, kasi hindi pasok ang letter D sa standards natin. Pag hindi pasok sa standards, guys, dapat, hindi nyo pinipilit. Like, wag nyo nang i-defend sa friends nyo. Kasi, hindi naman pasok sa standards mo eh. Pero why are you settling for less? Diba? That's something to think about while I think about my medal. Next question. So, okay. So, these are things to remember. Pythagorean triplets. Let's write that down. Odd Pythagorean triplets. Iba na po yan. Kapag even, like 6, 8, 10, think about 6, 8, 10. Even naman siya, pero yung lowest term niya is still odd. Okay? So, if yung even number ay may lowest term, most likely pwede siya maging odd. Pero, may even din na multiples of 4 lang. Multiples of 4. May technique for multiples of 4. So, kunyari, 4, 8, 12. Wait. I'm trying to remember. What is it, guys? Diba yung 8, is it 15, 17? Is that correct? 15, 17. Okay, I know what it is. Yes, okay, it is. So, the technique here is, you divide this by 2. Divide mo muna by 2. That will give you 2. And then, i-square mo. So, that will give you 4 again. And then, you get the number before and the number after. So, that's 3, 4, 5. So, for 4, 3, 4, 5 pa rin yung niya. 3 and 5. So, for example, Let's try 8. Gawin natin yung 8. 8, the first thing you have to do is divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. I-square ang 4. That will give you 16. 16, and then the number before and after it is 15 and 17. So, the Pythagorean triple is 8, 15, 17. Okay? Yes. For yan yung walang even in general. Yes. Yes, drop your questions daw for Nico. Guys, if you have any questions about the UPCAT application, we have Nico over here. He's part of the UP help desk. So, yes. May you go to the bathroom? Okay, but only one by one. Here's my YouTube, if you can't see. Hindi ba kita, guys? Imuusog natin. Where do we put it? YouTube is over here. And Instagram, if you want the PDFs, they're free on Instagram. Also, I announce when I go live sa Instagram or TikTok bulletin. So, you guys can check that out. Grabe naman sa promotion. Slay ka, Nico. Okay, thank you for following if you guys are new here. Recess na, guys. Hala, 10 na ba? Ang tagal pa, guys. Ano pong file yan? This name is PTS Mathematics Reviewer. So, ayan. PTS Mathematics. I-search nyo sa Instagram ko yung unang story sa review highlight. Yes, there are questions na Tagalog talaga. Okay? Sa UPCAT lalo. Okay, are we ready for the next question? Can we get to 55k likes while I think about where my medal is again? I'm so sad. It can't be lost, right? Like, there's no way. There's no way. I feel like I was wearing it when I got home, but I don't know. Also, here's the diploma we threw. The fake diploma that we threw. I brought it home. But I don't know where my actual ano is. Are we at 55? One more K. Back nyo po muna sa taas habang hinahanap nyo medal. Oh, back daw sa taas. Okay, if you wanna screenshot, comment SSD. Yes, comment SSD while we think about the next question. Ano answer sa 8? Wala pa, guys. Wala pa. Okay, let's continue. Need mo daw mag-graduate ulit. No, sobrang ganda ng medal na yun, guys. Promise, nandito lang yun. Imposibleng mawala yun. Kaso hindi ko talaga maalala kung saan ko siya nilapag. Like, I can't even remember. Next question. The measures of the sides of a triangle are 10, 13, and 13. How far is the shortest side to the opposite vertex? Ooh. What does all of that mean? Anong year? I just graduated. You see my toga? Do you want me to wear it? And here's my picture. Yes. Okay. I-tour mo kami maghanap. I was thinking, no, magulo kasi talaga yung room ko right now. So, it is my fault maybe. So, what are we gonna do here, guys? What does it mean pag dalawang sides, ano tawag sa triangle na dalawang sides are the same? We just learned about this. Can somebody tell me what that's called? A triangle na dalawang sides are equal. What's it called? Yes, Isosceles. Amazing, children. Good job. So, Isosceles siya. Let's say, itong 13. Ito din 13. Tapos, 10 daw ito. How far is the shortest side to the opposite vertex? So, ang vertex, guys, ay yung middle elbow nila. I don't know what that's called. But yes, it's called a vertex, basically. This. So, ito ang shortest side. Gaano daw kahaba from this part all the way up to here? Okay? Gaano daw kahaba from here all the way to here? So, basically, hinahanap natin ano yung measurement netong orange na to. Does anybody know? Okay. So, the easy way to do this, okay? The easy way to do this, this one is a right triangle now. Right triangle na siya. Ibig sabihin, Pythagorean triplet ang hinahanap natin. So, this is 13. Long side is 13. And dahil nahati siya sa dalawa, ano ang measurement nito, guys? Ano ang measurement nitong side? This whole thing is 10. So, half of it is 5. Okay? 5 silang dalawa kasi ang buong ito ay 10. And dahil hinati natin sa gitna, tig 5 na lang sila. Okay? So, as you can see, this is 5 blank 13. 5 blank 13. Ano yung nawawala sa Pythagorean triplet? Remember Pythagorean triplet? What we're gonna do, pag 5 yung una, what you do, 5 squared is equal to 25. Hati mo sa dalawa. That's 12 and 13. So, the answer is letter C, right triangle. Letter C. If you don't know about the Pythagorean triplets, what we can do is, but pag sa'yo nadadalian ka, guys, I just graduated. I mean, of course you have a long way to go, but yes, I just love math, I feel. But it's okay if you don't understand right away, guys. You can keep asking questions. We're here to repeat if that's what you need to repeat. So yes, just make sure to follow, and we'll be back. I'll try to go back live tomorrow. I'll try to do it every day na kasi I feel like malapit na yung UPCAT and need nyo na mag-aral every day. So if hindi kayo pupunta sa live, you're gonna miss out, and that's gonna motivate you to keep studying. Am I right? Naka-receive po ba ng email from UP? Just wait for Nico to answer your question. Bakit dinivide by 2? Bakit siya dinivide by 2? Kasi yung line na tong hinahanap natin, we're looking for this line, and it goes right down the middle. So if the line goes right down the middle, syempre mahati yung dalawa. So 5 to and 5 to. So ang tinitignan na lang natin dyan ay itong kalahati. So what we're looking there is this right triangle, right? Tapos, okay, let's get this. We move it over here, and then we still know this is 13, this is 5, tapos ang hinahanap natin ay x dito. And alam natin, dahil line to, diba kanina, line siya, and then hinati siya ng isang vertical line, magiging right triangle ito, or right angle. Kaya, alam natin na right triangle siya. Nakikita nyo ba yung ginawa natin? In-extract natin yung isang triangle para, like, makuha yung Pythagorean triangle, or basically right triangle. Ano yung vertex? Yung vertex, guys, ay yung kanto ng triangle. Or what do you call that? There's a word I'm thinking of. Basta yung bawat ganun niya. Yung bawat ganun, this part. What do you call that? Oh, it's a singit. I was like, what's the Tagalog word? Yung singit ng triangle. That's what that is. Sulok. Bakit singit? Sulok daw. Sulok ba yun? Di ba sulok yung pointy part? Isn't this the sulok? What is this part inside? Right? I think that's a singit. Pinnacle. Hindi ba ito yung sulok? Isn't sulok corner? Corner in the inside. Okay, sulok na. Singit kasi yun. Diba yung singit naman, ganun din yung singit. Okay, interior sulok. Interior sulok daw. Singit is inner. So, inner nga. Inner yung vertex kasi. So, yung vertex, yung loob na part ng corner. Yung loob na part ng corner. Ganyan. So, yes. Thank you for the gifts, guys. You don't have to send gifts. Just make sure to follow. I care more that you guys learn and you don't have to pay. Because we're trying to get into UP, which is a free school, by the way. Wag na yung sulok. Wag na yun, ate. Sulok na lang. Okay, sulok daw. Next question. Are we ready to move on? Let's get to 70k. Just 3k likes, guys. Just tap it like 3 times. I'm so sad. I'm really, like, so sad. I wanted to show you guys. After this live, I'm gonna find it. I promise. And when I find it, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you if I find it. I'm gonna cry. Di pa ready mag-move on. Why 12 is the answer? Okay, bakit 12? Okay. So, if you don't know, remember, we did the Pythagorean triple technique here. Remember yung technique natin dito, na kapag 5, yung, or any odd number, ang gagawin mo is a square mo, that's 25. 5 squared is 25. And then divided by 2, that's 25. Yung divided by 2 na whole numbers is 12 and 13. So, alam natin na 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now, if you don't want that shortcut, ang pwede natin gawin, ang tinatawag na Pythagorean, what do you call that? Equation? Pythagorean theorem. So, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So, if you want to solve it, just solve it as is, okay? So, etong longest side, C yan lagi, okay? Yung hypotenuse is always C. So, that's 5 squared plus x squared is equal to 13 squared. This is 25 plus x squared is equal to 169. Okay? Tapos, yung 25, tatranspose natin sa kabilang side. So, magiging x squared is equal to 169 minus 25. Okay? Are we too fast? Too fast? Let me know. Thank you for sharing, for following the live, guys. Make sure to follow if you guys are new here. Tapos, x squared is equal to 144. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, pag x squared is equal to 144, you can square root both sides para makuha. And alam natin na ang square root ng 144 ay 12. 12! Thank you for the heart, me. Period. So, the answer is 12. Pero, mahaba yun, guys. And the goal of the UPCAT is to answer it as fast as we can. So, if you already know the Pythagorean triples, mas madali siya. Pero, if hindi nyo alam, okay lang yung Pythagorean. As long as you can solve it. As long as you can solve it, that's what matters. Okay? But, as you can see, the answer is letter C. So, you don't need to solve. Honestly, C for Christ all the time. C for Christ. See, we didn't even have to solve that. Just answer letter C. What's the question? Nag-practice niya ang math habang nagtuturo. Yes, but the thing is, I don't need to practice it. Wait po, nasa question pa lang me. Why did you draw a line inside the triangle? Okay, so the question is, how far is the shortest side? How far is the shortest side? So, ang shortest side is 10, guys. 10 is the shortest side. So, 10 is the shortest side. Tapos, gaano daw kalayo yung opposite vertex or yung sulok na to. Ito yung sulok. Sulok na yung ginamit ko. Dito, gaano daw siya kalayo. So, ang hinahanap ay yung distance na ito. Kaya natin hinanap yung side na yun. Okay, gets ba natin? Somebody. Wait, I know you from somewhere. Somebody. Pwede na ako mag-engineer. Guys, geometry lang to. Ikalma nyo. Char. So, yes. Bonding daw kayo, yung bonding. Guys, we're having fun. Are we not having fun? I'm having the time of my life. Except my medal is missing. My 2 medals. I'm gonna cry, honestly. I actually don't know where it is. I have the box, though. I have the box. You wanna see the box? Let me flip it so you can read. Flip horizontally. Here's the box. Yes! I have the box with me and there's nothing inside. Whoa! The freak, bruh. I'm so sad. Okay, going back. Yes, so here, if you want a screenshot now. PDF with answers, yes, I'll post it on my Instagram. Move right. Move right where? Oh no, it's not focusing on me anymore. Let's flip it back. I like my boys singing competent. It's not turning back. Anyway, number 9. Are we ready to move on? This is the PTS reviewer. Zoom right. Oh, here. Okay. Zoom right daw. Okay, comment SSD when done. So, this is the answer. 12 yung makukuha mo dyan. Yes. Comment SSD when done. When do we use Pythagorean triples? Kapag may question about right triangles, dun mo siya magagamit. YouTube is over here if you want to follow me. Please focus. Oh, there we go. 100k heart mo. Yes, go. I-go mo lang, be. Bakit pwede Tagalog na lang always? Paano Tagalog? Like Tagalog tayo mag-explain. Okay, Tagalog natin yung pag-explain mamaya. Sa next question. What is the diagonal of a square with side 4 cm? Okay. So, Tagalog daw. Hindi ko alam Tagalog ng square. Magta-Taglish tayo, but to the best of my abilities. Okay. So, ang gagawin muna natin, magda-drawing tayo ng square. Magda-drawing tayo ng square. Tapos, ang diagonal ay, pa-diagonal, from one corner, galing sa isang sulok, papunta sa kabilang sulok. Sa katapat niyang sulok. Wow. Okay. Tapos, paslant. Yes, paslant. Tapos, hinahanap yung side na to. Ano daw yung measurement niyan? Ano yung sukat niya? So, the diagonal, what is the diagonal of a square with side 4 cm? Okay, so, di ko ma-reply yung iba because of your username. I-PM nyo daw si Nico, guys. Parisukat daw. Tapos, we know na 4 ang side ng triangle. 4 yan lahat. So, if i-isolate natin, guys, drawing natin siya nang hindi natin titignan ang yung buong square. Let's put this on this side. So, this is what we're looking at, right? This is 4. Let's remove that. And then, this is x. And what can you see? Anong nakikita nyo? This is a right triangle, guys. It's a right triangle. And what do we know about right triangles? We can use the Pythagorean theorem. But if you don't want to use the Pythagorean theorem, there's another thing I'm going to teach you. It's called the 45-90 ratio. Nagagamit to pag isosceles triangle siya. Pure triangle tayo dito, guys, kasi jom to. So, as you know, this is 90, and dahil same ang angle nito, bakit same ang angle niya? Kasi 4 pareho ang sides niya, which means isosceles triangle siya. This is 45 degrees, and this is 45 degrees. And ang ratio ng 45, 90, 90, ang ratio niyan ay 1:1 is to square root of 2. So, this is a new lesson for you guys. 1:1 is to square root of 2. What does this mean? Kapag ang side ay 4, ang isang side ay 4, what will it be on this side? It will be 4 times square root of 2. 1 square root of 2. So, the answer is letter C. If you don't know how to get that, pwede nyo pa rin gawin ang Pythagorean theorem. How will you do Pythagorean theorem? That's 4 squared plus 4 squared is equal to c squared. So, that's 16 plus 16 is equal to c squared. 32 is equal to c squared. Square root both sides. That will give you square root of 32 is equal to c. Paulit? Okay, wait. I'll teach it longer. I'm just showing the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Bakit 4? Kasi 4 yung 4 yung square, guys. 4 yung side ng square. 4. Wait, okay. Slowly. We'll go slowly. What the? Why not use the formula? Yes, we can get x square root of 2. We did use the formula. We're just teaching the longer way, Martina. We did use the formula. I'm showing people the longer way. Okay, so the longer way is to do the Pythagorean theorem. So, we don't want to use the Pythagorean theorem kasi mahaba yan, guys. So, ituturo ko right now ang 45, 90. So, super important nito, guys. 45, 90. Kapag may nakita kayong triangle, kapag may triangle na 45, 90, 45, 90, and then, kunyari, 3 yan. 3 din to. Obviously, 3 sila pareho kasi 45 sila pareho. What will be the x here? Diba? That's 45, 90. Ang ratio niyan lagi ay 1:1 is the square root of 2. Remember this. Like, it works for everything. If 1:1 is the square root of 2, what does this mean? Ang meaning niyan is, kung, diba yung 45, nakatapat siya dito. So, yun yung side niya. This is 3. And then, paano magiging square root of 2 ang 1? You have to just multiply it. So, that's 3 square root of 2. Okay? So, that the answer here is 3 square root of 2. Kaya dito, it's 4 square root of 2. Okay? 4 square root of 2. I'll give you, inom ka tubig. I'll give you one more example. Okay, I'll do 30, 60, 90 also. But, ano naman mangyayari, guys, kapag 45, 90 siya, pero ang given ay 4 dito. Anong mangyayari dyan? Kung 4 dito, 4 is over here, ano daw yung x dito? What is x here? So, what are we gonna do? Ibig sabihin dyan, yung katapat ng 4 ay 90. So, yung ratio niyan, dito natin ilalagay ang 4. Dito malalagay ang 4, hinahanap natin ang x here. Paano natin makukuha si x? Kung ang square root of 2 is 4. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is i-divide natin. Kapag ito ang given, i-divide siya pabalik. Pero kapag itong dalawa ang given, i-multiply siya going here. Okay? Yes. Not divided by 2, it's divided by square root of 2. So, what we're gonna do is 4 divided by square root of 2. And if you know, hindi pwedeng maiwan na square root sa ilalim. So, we taught this last time. It's called rationalization. So, what you're gonna do, multiply by square root on top. This will give us 4 square root of 2. Saan nanggaling yung 45? Given lang yan, guys, okay? Kasi, sorry, I think I'm shouting and I need water. But, diba, ang loob ng triangle ay 180 degrees all the time. Forever. It's always 180 degrees yung loob ng triangle. Tapos, kapag equal sides sila, 4 and 4 ito, equal din ang angle niyan. Okay? So, this is 90. Tapos, ito, alam natin square din to, diba? When you divide a 90 into 2, doon makukuha yung 45, 45. Kasi, kalahati niyan ay 45, kalahati ng square na to ay 45. Gets ba natin yan? Do I sound like I need water? Water break? Okay. Do you want a water break? Because aren't we gonna end at 10, guys? Aren't we gonna end at 10? I can teach you 30, 60, 90 tomorrow. Are we gonna end at 10? Wag na? Anong wag na? Okay, wait. Ituloy lang natin. Tapusin natin. We're almost done. Wow, what is that? Thank you for the community crown. That's so big. Thank you, Alpha, for the community crown. Happy 100k. Thank you for the 1k likes. 100k likes, guys. Okay, you're crying? Guys, this is a sign that maybe we should stop, you know. But okay, tapusin lang natin to. Kapag 4 ang given sa hypotenuse, guys, pag 4 ang given sa hypotenuse, kailangan natin hanapin yung dalawang x. Okay? So, dalawa yung x ni 4. Nawawala ang dalawang x niya. And then, ayun. So, ang gagawin dyan is, how do you get from square root of 2 back to 1? You have to divide it by square root of 2. So, what we're doing over here is, pwede ba i-screenshot? Yes. Okay, we can do that right after this. So, what we're doing is, i-divide natin ang 4 by square root of 2. And para ma-divide ang 4 sa square root of 2, kailangan natin i-rationalize. So, ang gagawin dyan, i-multiply mo by the same number, and then the same number sa taas. Bakit natin ginagawa yan? Kasi, ito, square root of 2 over square root of 2 is equal to 1. So, we're just multiplying it by nothing. Okay? Ba't kailangan hanapin si x? Kasi, good question. That's a good question, actually. But, we still have to find it. Okay. Wait. I'm running out of witty things to say. So, when we multiply, ano mangyayari pag multiply natin itong dalawa? Square root of 2 times square root of 2 will just give you 2. So, 4 times square root of 2 will give you 4 square root of 2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 will give you 2. So, that will give, you can divide this, cancel out the 2, that will give you 2 square root of 2. Hindi po ba mag-iiba yung sign? Magiging negative? Hindi siya magiging negative. Wala tayong tinranspose. Wala tayong na-transpose. Minultiply lang natin siya. Okay? Okay. So, kaya may option dito na 2 square root of 2 para malito kayo. But there is a way to get 2 square root of 2 kapag 4 yung diagonal. So, kung 4 yung diagonal dito, eto, this is 2 square root of 2 and this is 2 square root of 2. Okay? Yes! Ang ingay po ng boys sa likod. Nasaan ba sila? Wala naman maingay ngayon. In fairness, walang maingay ngayon. Grabe yung patience. Thank you very much. Guys, we're gonna come back tomorrow. Pause, you need water. I can hear your voice cracking. That's crazy. Why are you clocking me right now? I don't have water here, guys. And aren't we gonna end at 10? Guys, I can go back live tomorrow. So, just make sure to follow me right now. Thank you. Guys, I need to find my medal or else I'm gonna crash out. I'll rewatch this. Okay, somebody. Oh, you guys can picture this. Remind me. Okay, I'll put it over here. But I need a reminder na tomorrow we're gonna answer. Let's write it down. Tomorrow, we need to do tomorrow, teach, we're gonna teach 30, 60, 90, okay? You need to memorize. These are like one of the best. We didn't do number 10 yet. 30, 60, 90 ang gagawin natin. And pwede natin ulitin yung 45, 45, 90. Okay? So, I think that's it for today. Make sure to follow, guys. If you have any questions about UP, pa-zoom out. Okay, there. More zoom out. Okay. Bye. Bye. Say bye if you're leaving. Come back tomorrow. We're gonna try to go live every day. I'm gonna be home lang naman tomorrow. So, yes. I'm so excited, guys. Daily lives of math. Mostly math, guys. I'm still gonna see if I can do other subjects. But we do have other subjects na reviewers here on my IG. Guys, make sure to follow my IG. Have you seen my IG? Like, I got 1K likes. That's so crazy on my grad post. So, yes. Make sure to go on IG. I have channel. Doon ko ina-announce kung kailan ako nagla-live, guys. So, every day, usually 8 p.m. ang live. Kaya, yes, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to like 1 hour usually. 1 hour or 1 hour to 30 minutes. 8 or 8:30 pala. Kasi kanina na late ako. So, I'm gonna try to do daily lives. Go to my TikTok bulletin or Instagram channel para makita nyo kung magla-live. Thank you, Mayan. Bye-bye. I'm gonna drink water right after you leave. And then I'm gonna find my freaking medal. I'll update you guys if I find it. I'm so annoyed. I need to find it. Like, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna cry. Palipat sa 7. Okay. If you want to screenshot anything we've done so far, just let me know. We can move back to that. Also, I can teach this one better, the Pythagorean triplets. I'll try to make a video on that, like, for YouTube. Kasi hindi pa ako nag-YouTube, guys. Nico, I nakaya sa IG story. Feel ko, sa IG channel ko siya ipopost. So, join my IG channel, guys. Make sure to follow me. Tapos, i-update ko kayo if mahanap ko siya. Pero right now, I don't think I can find it. Guys, please pray for me. Like, okay, just, I need that medal. Like, please. I feel like it's in this house. I know it's in this house. Upload this. Yes, I'm gonna upload the recording on YouTube. And then I'll try to make also a lesson for YouTube. 4 months na. Thank you. Thank you, Basura ni Clanyo. Medal prayers. Thank you, Mayan. Please pray for me. Tomorrow, usually 8 p.m. ang live, guys. Pa-reserve ng photo card. Okay, Nico. One day. Okay, I'll leave you one, Nico. Guys, if you see me in real life, I'll give you one. Okay? Go ask for a photo card. I'll give you one in real life. Kaso undi lang to. Meron din akong, wait. I have this one. This is the one I might have to give away because I don't, this one. This is the normal one. Pero I have a hollow sleeve for it. So yes, you guys can leave, by the way. Just say goodbye. Make sure to follow. I have a hollow sleeve, guys. Here. Look, this is the one I'm gonna give you guys, I think. I put it in here, and then it becomes hollow, look. It's now hollow. Whoa. So, that's what you're gonna get if you see me in real life. Just make sure, where can we find you? Don't, like, find me, you know, like, just, if you see me in real life, you can go up to me. But I keep one of this. I'm keeping one of this now in my wallet. So, if ever, like, somebody actually comes up to me, I can give them one. Goodbye, Sleepy JX. See you tomorrow, guys. So, if you see me, I'll give you this. Yes. I'll get it in 6 years. Okay. I'll say goodbye, Rutherfordium. See you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, 8 p.m. or 8:30 if I'm late. Okay. Just make sure to follow here. Make sure to follow on Instagram. Also, subscribe to YouTube because I posted there. Okay, let's go na guys. I'm gonna look for my medal. Okay. Thank you for being here. I'll see you tomorrow. I just graduated. I'm not a student anymore, Kai. So make sure to follow if you're new here. Possible po mapanood. Yes, you can watch this again if you haven't. Go to my YouTube. Recordings are uploaded every night or the next day. So, make sure to subscribe to YouTube, guys, please. Okay, you're welcome. Do you have more questions? You just joined now? Okay lang, panoorin mo na lang sa YouTube, yung replays. So, yes. Yes, I just graduated college, guys. Magna cum laude. There. So sad. We need to find my medal. Please manifest with me. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye! What did it say? Pabalik daw po sa 1 to 6. Okay. Ang haba naman ng 1 to 6, be. Eto, 2 to 6. Yung 1 is just coinciding. So, madali lang yung 1. There. You can screenshot this for now. Pero, guys, I upload the recording naman. Tips kung paano gumaling sa math. You have to do it every day, everybody. At least 30 minutes a day. If you practice, it'll do better. Thank you, Mayan. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. 10:05. We'll leave at 10:05 in 1 minute. 10:05. Okay. This one's for you guys. I'll save it. Bye! Wait, 10:05 is taking so long. Yes, I'll upload then the PDF. I'll upload the PDF sa Instagram and TikTok channels. I'll show you the link there, okay? The link I will send. I have the link na sa channels ko. Okay, it's 10:05. Bye, guys. Bye. How do I end it? Thank you, Nico. See you tomorrow if you can. See you tomorrow. Bye. Nico, I can make you moderator in my channel. I'll try it later. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, Alpha. Thank you for the gift.